Good morning, classmates and tutor. I am going to share my own exercise. First exercise. This is for study. This isn't a natural pronunciation. S and for are in full pronunciation because they're short syllables. This and study are the long syllables. Some syllables are long and others are very short. It is the rhythm of American English. Some are simply reduced. This is for study. Second exercise. The is pronounced with the vowel E when the next word begins with a consonant. For example, the table. The is pronounced with the vowel E when the next words begin with a vowel or diphthong, for example, the apple. The most important thing is that this word must be pronounced very quickly. The table, the apple, never pronounce the table or the apple. Third exercise. To is almost never pronounced this way. To. A reduction is used the vowel change to the sound of the schwa. Te. Say quickly. In some cases, the true T at first changes to a more than D sound or a flat T, soft R sound in Spanish. For example, go to the school, go to. Let's go to the school. Very quickly. This has nothing to do with the full to. Fourth exercise. And. This word is also one that is really fully pronounced. There are ways to reduce it, starting from the full pronunciation. The vowel followed by the consonant N, the real part is lifted for the A, and then it releases before and the M, Ea. It isn't a pure A sound, but Ea, and. The first reduction discards the D, N. For example, and I drink water. And I. No D, just the N that goes to the next word. And I drink water. Another more common reduction is just silent the sound of the M. And I drink water. Fifth exercise. M. Here no sounds are discarded, no sounds are changed, they aren't reduced. This is pronounced without voice or force. This means that it's very short. Instead of silent and it says N. She's a girl. And it isn't N with force, but N without force of voice. And thank you for your attention. Bye bye.